প্রথমে নিচের ভিডিওটা দেখুন, তারপরে বলছি।
The last hour of campaigning in Kerala marked by this, a celebration where every political party comes together in the major junction of their seat to celebrate the end of the campaign. It's called Kalashikutu. What is the meaning of this? Why do they do it? You can see flags from all political parties. I'm in Neman constituency, so you see the LDF, the UDF and the BJP. So what's the point? Why do we see something like this happening every year during elections at the end of the campaign? Think of it as healthy competition, where every party comes out with everything they've got, all the colour they've got, to say we are number one, we're going to be number one. Ultimately the voters decide. But this is a celebration that you see in no other part of the country, only in Kerala. It's the perfect, picture perfect end to what's been a high voltage campaign. Maybe other states can learn a lesson or two.
এই ভিডিওটা ছিল কেরালার, যেখানে সিপিএম, কংগ্রেস, বিজেপি একসাথে মিছিল করছে, কিন্তু তাতে কোনো সমস্যা, কোনো দ্বন্দ্ব, মারামারি হচ্ছে না। কিন্তু আমাদের রাজ্যে শুধুই হুড়োহুড়ি, মারামারি আর কাটাকাটি, যেটা একেবারেই সুস্থ সমাজে, সুস্থ গণতন্ত্রে একেবারেই কাম্য নয়।